Looking for the best digital multimeter in 2025? Whether you're a pro electrician or a DIY enthusiast, you're in the right place. Today's video reveals the top 5 digital multimeters you must check out this year. From precision testing to user-friendly features, these multimeters will take your projects to the next level. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the best digital multimeters of 2025. If you're ready to upgrade your toolkit, stay tuned for the top picks that combine accuracy, reliability, and innovative features. Let's get started. Number 1. Mastfuy FY159B Multifunction Digital Multimeter. The Mastfuy FY159B Multifunction Digital Multimeter is a must-have tool for electricians and DIY enthusiasts. Compact yet powerful, this device is equipped with a true RMS autoranger, delivering accurate measurements for AC/DC voltage up to 1000 volts, resistance 50 ohm to 60 mΩ, and capacitance 10 RF to 6000 mHz. It also measures frequencies ranging from 10 Hz to 6 MHz, making it versatile for various applications. With smart features like NCV, non-contact voltage detection, a live wire check, and an on-off continuity buzzer, it ensures safety and convenience. The bright digital display and built-in flashlight allow easy operation in low-light conditions. Certified by CE and FCC, this multimeter is reliable and user-friendly. Its sleek design, 142 by 70 by 20 mm, makes it portable for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 2. Mastfuy 6000 counts digital multimeter. The Mastfuy 6000 counts digital multimeter is a must-have for electricians, engineers, and DIY enthusiasts. With its compact design, 142 by 70 by 20 mm, and advanced features, this tool is built for precision and reliability. It supports a wide range of measurements, including AC/DC voltage up to 1000 volts, resistance from 50 ohms to 60 mΩ, and capacitance up to 60,000 mHz. The multimeter also includes NCV, non-contact voltage, live wire detection, diode testing, and continuity with a buzzer for added convenience. Certified by CE and FCC, it offers true RMS accuracy, a flashlight for low-light environments, and a digital display for easy readings. Perfect for troubleshooting and electrical projects, the MastFi digital multimeter ensures safety, precision, and ease of use in every task. Number 3. Zoey ZTX Digital Multimeter. The Zoey ZTX Digital Multimeter is a high-precision, feature-packed device designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With a 999999 count display and auto-ranging capabilities, it delivers accurate readings for voltage, current, resistance, and capacitance. Its compact design, 146 by 74 34 mm, makes it portable, while the robust build ensures durability. This multimeter can measure up to 1000 volts DC, 750 volts AC, and 9.999 at current, making it ideal for both home projects and industrial use. It also features an NCV, non-contact voltage, function for enhanced safety and efficiency. Certified by CE, it guarantees reliable performance. Whether you're troubleshooting electrical systems or testing components, the Zoey ZTX offers precision and ease of use, making it a must-have for electrical work. Number 4. Mastfuy Digital Clamp Meter. The Mastfuy Digital Clamp Meter is a versatile 3-in-1 multifunctional tool designed for electricians, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals. Featuring true RMS technology, it ensures accurate readings for AC/DC voltage 100 mV 600 volts, AC current 100 mA to 600 A, and temperature measurements. Equipped with NVC, non-contact voltage induction, it adds an extra layer of safety for detecting live wires without direct contact. The digital display delivers clear, easy-to-read results, while its compact design makes it portable and user-friendly. Certified by CE standards and originating from mainland China, the Mastfuy clamp meter is reliable and built for precision. Whether you're troubleshooting circuits or monitoring electrical performance, this tool is a must-have for efficient and safe operations, perfect for electrical and DIY applications. Number 5. Bside S10S11 Digital Smart Multimeter. The Bside S10S11 Digital Smart Multimeter is a versatile compact tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With a sleek color LCD display and a maximum reading of 99999 counts, it ensures precise measurements for DC-AC voltage up to 600 volts, resistance up to 60 mΩ, and more. This smart multimeter features auto-ranging functionality, NCV, non-contact voltage detection, and a built-in flashlight for added convenience in low-light environments. Its lightweight design, just 119 grams, and durable build make it perfect for on-the-go use. Certified by CE, FCC, and RoHS, the Bside S10 SS11 combines safety and efficiency. Powered by an 800 mAh Li-ion battery, it also supports data hold and frequency measurement, 1 Hz, 60 kHz. Upgrade your testing experience with this reliable multimeter.
Here are our top 5 picks, carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.